bright like a diamond. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, or luxury, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video on Sundays. So make sure you hit that notification bell so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be automatically notified. Okay, without further ado, we are getting into this video today. What is the video? It is my first unboxing of a what? Is it Telfar? Telfar. It's Telfar. We know it's Telfar. I don't know what happened. Woo! Bright lights and hot. So, this is my first purchase of a Telfar bag. I'm not for sure the size that I got it in, but we will see shortly. Now, what I do know is that it came up in my email and I clicked on it and it said, you know, you can pick your bag, pay now, or pick your bag and pay in 4 payments. I think it was 4. It was either 3 or 4. And that's what I did. I made my payments in 3 or 4 payments. After that, they sent out an email stating, thank you for your payment. When your bag ships, we will send you out another notification. All of that said, as I picked out my bag, I don't remember which size I picked out. I hope it was either small or medium. The color that I chose was a color that I did not have in my handbag collection, so I chose something that I did not have, so this is a new color for me. I did my payment. After we do that unboxing of the Telfar, I picked up something from Anthropology that I want to share with you. So those two things, that's the things that we are going to take care of in this video. So if you would like to see what I picked up at Telfar and Anthropology, make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you hang around because we're going to get to it right now. I feel like I need to do this one first. Yeah. I have been seeing a couple of unboxings, and as soon as I seen this slender box, I was like, oh, it's a Telfar bag. That's what I was like. Comes by FedEx, and this is the box. I got my knife. I don't know where my box cutter is. Okay. I automatically know what size I got. I'm excited. My first Telfar. Yes, black owned business. Okay, so I did pick up the medium. It is an orange shopping bag. It comes in this plastic bag, and then inside this plastic bag is this bag. And oh, look at this gorgeous bright color. Perfect for the summer. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Hello. Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh, ooh, it goes. It's nice. It is nice. Medium size. I do not know what the dimensions are, but if I can find that on the website, I will make sure I list it. Let me take this off. It has a little tag on it that says TF012OGM. So that is the medium orange shopping bag. It's like a Velcro. If I'm shiny, it's because, woo, it's hot in here. Woo, it's hot in here. So this is a little Velcro, and then this is the strap. Strap is pretty long. Handle is short. Oh, I love a top handle. I love a top handle. Comment below if you love a top handle. Oh, but look at this orange. It's so pretty and vibrant. Oh, I like it. You like it? Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Now, if I get another one, I think, I don't know, this is like a perfect size. Even if you were like carrying your laptop or something in there, this is the perfect size for a laptop. You can get all your necessities in this bag. I like this. This is nice. I like it a lot. Okay, so that is my first unboxing of a Telfar bag. And I'm excited. I'm still excited. Look, I'm looking down here because I want to pick it up again. I am excited. The stitching is excellent. I'm quite sure these creases will come out. Probably stuff them with this bag. So that's the first one. Let's move to the second one from Anthropology. Yeah, right here. I picked up something. I picked up a clothing item. It is called the Suspender Pant Set. Now, this is a set. It comes with 2 pieces, and I purchased it for $98. I thought that they might have a sale going on over the 4th of July, but no.
No, they did not.
Here's the 2-piece set. I picked it up in an extra large. I love this. I love it. Slender spaghetti straps that are adjustable. Very roomy. You have plenty of room. This is an extra large. If you are a size 18, 20, or 22, 24, you would be able to fit in this. I love it. It's cool. It feels very soft, very lightweight material. You can dress this up, but I would keep it casual because it's so hot right now. The bottom of the hem is unraveled. There is the unraveled hem. It's made in India. It's lightweight, it's see-through. So don't forget your underwears, ladies. Or not. And then it comes with this bandeau top. Cute. Here is the bandeau top. The bow is automatically pre-made right there. So no tying for us. We just slip it on. It does have this little gripper portion at the top of the bandeau. So it makes sure that it will stay up on you. And yes, it does fit me correctly. So I wear a 40 double D. It's stretchy. It's stretchy in the back. 100% cotton. And this fits me perfect. So this is very cute. So that is it for my Telfar and Anthropology unboxing. Comment below if you like my Telfar bag. I like my Telfar bag. It's a beautiful color. And comment below if you like my Anthropology 2-piece jumper set. Is it a jumper set or is it the overall set? I forgot what it's called. Let's see. Suspender. It's called. It's called a suspender set. Okay, until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen and I hope to see you, yes you, in my next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell, and turn on your notifications. Please allow those notifications. I am on a journey to 1,000 subscribers and I haven't hit it yet. So help me out, hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye. I need solar paneling or something. I need something going on. Oh my God, it's hot as I don't know what. Let's fix this. Oh. Okay. There we go. Oh shit. That worked. Hi. And I hope to see see you, yes you, in my next video. Bye-bye.